Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. David and I enjoy our burgers. There are so many recipes on the website that we've created. Although they're incredibly tasty, we do, occasionally, top them with this classic burger sauce. It's a gorgeous combination of different condiments along with seasonings. This is a delicious recipe that will enhance your burgers. So let's get cooking. In a bowl, we'll add mayonnaise. And to make it from scratch, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. Then regular ketchup, followed by sweet relish, which is also another recipe you can make at home. And you know where to find the link. And prepared yellow mustard, not Dijon, okay? We'll also add some seasonings, which are smoked paprika, onion powder, as well as garlic powder, and freshly ground black pepper. We'll whisk or stir the ingredients until nicely combined, cover, and transfer to the fridge until needed. It will keep for up to 1 week. And my friends, this is our classic burger sauce. With popular condiments along with spices, this delicious sauce is perfect for burgers. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!